Students, welcome back to your favorite channel Math Helper. See exercise 7.2 question number 9. Find the coordinates of points which divide the line segment joining. One line segment is there. Point of line segment are -2, 2 and 2, 8. This point is A, this point is B. You have to find the coordinate of points which divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. Now 4 equal parts, you have to draw 3 lines. One part is this, another is this, third is this, and fourth is this. Now you have to find, suppose this is P, this is Q, and this is R. You have to firstly find point P, then you have to find point Q, and then you have to find point R. Now equal parts are there. That means this is 1, this is 1. If this is also 1, this is also 1. So point P will divide in ratio 1:3, because this much is 1 and this much is full 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So for point P, you have to use section formula. Suppose this is x1, this is y1, this is m1, this is m1, this is m2, and this is x2, y2. You will use section formula. What is section formula? Coordinate of point P, whatever you want to find, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2, and coordinate of y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. This formula we will use for finding all the coordinates. Firstly, coordinate of P. P will come, m1 is 1, m2 is 3, x1 is -2, x2 is 2, y1 is 2, and y2 is 8. So I am doing directly. You will get 1 into 2 plus 3 into -2 over 1 plus 3, and y coordinate will come 1 into 8 plus 3 into 2 over 1 plus 3. Now 1 into 2 is 2, 3 into -2 is -6 over 4, and 1 into 8 is 8, and 3 into 2 is 6 over 4. Now 2 minus 6, what will come? 2 minus 6, you will get -4, -4 over 4, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 over 4. Now you will simplify it, you will get here -1, here 7 by 2. So coordinate of point P will be -1 and 7 by 2. Now suppose you want to find coordinate of Q. Now see carefully, Q ratio is 2:2. So directly you can use midpoint formula also, because Q is dividing it into 2 equal parts, 2 by 2. So I am using midpoint formula. You can use section formula also, but it will be lengthy, so I am using midpoint formula. So suppose this is x1, this is x2, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Formula is x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So you will get -2 plus 2 over 2, 2 plus 8 over 2. I took here 2 because Q is dividing into 2 equal parts. Whenever equal parts are there, you can use midpoint formula to consume time. -2 plus 2, 0, 0 over 2 will come 0. 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. Now 10 over 2 will come 5. So coordinate of point Q will be 0 and 5. Now see point R. Carefully see point R. This is point R. 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3:1 ratio. So again section formula I am using. You will get 3 into 2, 3 into 2, x coordinate you want na, then plus 1 into -2 over 3 plus 1, and y coordinate will be 3 into 8, 3 into 8 plus 1 into 2. Means opposite you have to do. m1 you have to multiply by, for x coordinate, this one, and m2 you have to multiply by this one. For y coordinate, m1 with y2, m2 with y1. So 3 plus 1. Now 3 plus 2, 6. 6. So I am solving here. R will come 3 into 2, 6. 1 into -2, -2 over 4. 3 into 8, 24. Plus 1 into 2, 2 over 3 plus 1, 4. Now 6 minus 4, what you will get? 4. 4 over 4. And 24 plus 2, you will get 26 over 4. Now 4 ones are 4 and 2 13s are 26, 2 2s are 4. So you will get 1 over 1 and 13 by 2. X coordinate came 1 and y coordinate came 13 by 2. So this is the answer. Required points are 1, 7 by 2, 0, 5 and 1, 13 by 2. These are the required point or answer. Thank you.